Hello everyone, welcome to this short tutorial on removing index entry field codes in Word. If you've generated an index in your Word document, you might see bracketed text like this. These field codes indicate index entries. Let's get started and stay until the end when we go over the table it once created. First, open Find and Replace by pressing Ctrl H for Windows or Command Shift H for Mac. In the Find What field, type $D XE. The $D tells Word to find field codes. XE narrows the search to index entry fields only. Leave the Replace With field completely blank. Make sure Use Wildcards is unchecked. Uncheck Find Whole Words Only, and really anything else down here. And then click Replace All. Word will confirm how many replacements were made. As you can see, it replaced everything with nothing, which essentially deletes them. Now, before you leave, address the table created. It's no longer linked to the entries and could disappear if updated, like this, either intentionally or on accident. So to keep it, if you still need it, select the table, then press Ctrl-Shift-F9 on Windows or Command-Shift-F9 on a Mac to convert the field codes to static text that can't be auto-updated. Now, another tip, they will not appear when you print it. Print preview, or if you enter the read mode via the view menu or the view tab, and you won't see it if you convert it to a PDF. And there you have it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.